One more NASA achievement. A helicopter on Mars has set a new record for flight altitude. Welcome to the Space Diary channel. Before watching, I want to ask you to help our channel by liking and subscribing. During its 59th flight on the Red Planet, the Ingenuity helicopter was able to fly higher than ever before. On September 16th, NASA's Mars lander set a new record for the highest altitude above the Red Planet's surface. The Ingenuity helicopter continues to expand the boundaries of its capabilities and once again proves that flights on Mars are not only possible, but can be also effective. Before the Ingenuity helicopter was able to set a new record on Mars, the highest altitude the aircraft had ever reached was 18 meters. But a few days ago, according to NASA scientists, the helicopter was able to climb to a height of 20 meters in the thin air of Mars. For more than 2 years of staying on Mars and performing 58 flights during this time, the helicopter has never managed to reach such a height. But the 59th flight marked the beginning of a new story for the aircraft, as it proved that a helicopter on Mars can fly higher than scientists had expected. In general, at the beginning of the helicopter's mission on Mars, which began in the spring of 2021, scientists did not think at all that this aircraft would not only achieve such success, but would even be able to operate for such a long time. It is important to note that during almost all previous flights to Mars, Ingenuity also covered certain distances, but this time it simply took off and hovered above the planet's surface for 142.5 seconds. In other words, it was a kind of high-altitude jump that showed new capabilities of the aircraft. From the beginning of its mission, NASA's helicopter was designed to test the technology of flying an earthly vehicle on another planet. But then it became a real assistant for the Perseverance rover, with which it landed in the Jezero crater in February 2021. Ingenuity helps to find the right routes for the rover's movement and new places for researchings on Mars. As for the rest of the helicopter's records, NASA said that Ingenuity covered the longest distance during a horizontal flight last April, 704 meters, and the longest helicopter stayed in the air was in August 2021, 169.5 seconds. In all 59 flights to Mars, Ingenuity covered a total of 13.3 kilometers and stayed in the air for 106.5 minutes. The Martian helicopter helps the rover in searching for ancient life in rocks on Mars, or at least signs of it. The Perseverance rover continues to collect rock samples to be returned to Earth in 7-10 years for further analysis. Thank you for watching, and see you tomorrow for more interesting videos.